Okay, I just finished up this Supreme Court audit and conducting my business here, and I just wanted this first is I have court tomorrow at Rockingham County Superior Court, okay, and that's at 2 p.m. I have a ride so that in case they do put me in jail for the non-payment of the fine, that my car won't be towed or anything like that. So I have a ride there and back, and if anyone wants to show up and support, you know, you're welcome to show up. You can let me know, shoot me an email at absolutedefiance@protonmail.com if you're planning on showing up, you want to coordinate. I'm going to go out to lunch with my friend beforehand, and who knows, maybe we go out to dinner afterwards. But you know, obviously it's kind of short notice. If you can't make it, you can't make it. But let's just get into this audit that we just did here at the New Hampshire Supreme Court. Thank you so much. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I'm here at the New Hampshire Supreme Court to file a Rule 11 petition for original jurisdiction. And just for the record, so everybody knows, this is the court where the no filming in all the courts across the state has come out of. And I will put that audit playlist, the Supreme Court audit, New Hampshire Supreme Court audit playlist, in the description here so you could see the progression and what exactly happened. We could see, if we flip it around, that there is still tape on the doors from where there used to be signs saying no recording. And you will see, if you go watch those videos in that playlist, the clerk of courts say that, oh, we don't need to do it here anymore for some reason, but it still applies in all the other courts, even though they don't seem to be able to enforce it on me whenever I do it. So we're gonna go in here and handle this situation. I got business to conduct. Probably check out the law library real quick, and I got 2 cases to look for, and then I want to file this this motion here for original jurisdiction regarding, I'll put that in the description too. I'll put this Rule 11 petition in the description along with the playlist. It's the second picketing, ticket, and disorderly conduct arrest where the judge is refusing to give me a written decision, which prevents me from appealing. I paid the fee, the filing fee to appeal, and she has refused to provide a written decision, which I need to be able to appeal. And so tomorrow I have a status conference and could potentially be put in jail. This will probably stop that process for the $765 fine. And yeah, I think that's it. So let's go in here, see what's going on. How's it going?
Good, how about you?
I'm all right.
Are you Frank by chance?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I thought so.
And that should be it. Thank you so much. Let's go to the law library first. So we have the form. Boom. John W. King Law Library. We got all these pictures of the Chief Justices or paintings. Jeremiah Mason. Ira Eastman. Guy's got a nice beard here. Lewis Whitehouse Clark. We got all these newer ones. Okay. So let's see. Hey, how's it going? All right. Just not logged in. User public access. See if someone is available. I get a copy room. Reference catalog. Librarian. So let me find these real quick. All right. Boom. So I got 2 cases that I'm trying to pull up. Zoom. This one, here they are. 435 21 CR 46 and 239. All right, I gotta double check these cases here. I'm hoping they can help me out. Hi. I'm trying to get copies of the judgments and orders in these 2 cases here, if possible.
Okay, so the, I believe the clerk's office, or do you know what you, that's what?
Can I go to the clerks and ask them?
I believe I would ask the clerk's office.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Thank you so much. Hi, how you doing?
How can I help you?
I'm trying to file this Rule 11 petition, and I'm trying to get the judgments on these 2 cases with the written decisions, if possible.
Okay, and you want the decision from the lower court?
Yes.
Okay, because we don't have access to the lower court, so you would have to get this from them. And I can give you their phone number, or if you have an account with them online, you can pull it. But we have a different system.
Can I get it from the law library? Is it accessible? He said to come over here. I was just over there.
Yeah, if it was like a Supreme Court case number, I could probably pull it because it's a lower court. I don't have access to their system to like pull their, yeah.
So,
I mean, I can take whatever you have ready, unless you want to get that and put it all together. But you'd have to get the final order from
I can add those in after, I guess.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and this, I don't know if somebody, I need copies of these to attach and then get these back if possible. These are exhibits.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is your Rule 11 and this is your exhibits. A copy of this back.
Yes, and then I was hoping that this court would vacate the default that is mentioned in here on my license for non-payment of fine, because the judge is refusing to give me a written decision. And so I already paid the filing fee to appeal, but I wasn't able to file a brief because she's refusing to give me a written decision. Even though, so these other 2 cases, she provided written decisions on the not guilty verdicts, but not on the guilty verdict, which is arguably I need that much more. So she provided a written decision for the state to potentially appeal the not guilty verdicts, but she didn't provide me a written decision so I can appeal the guilty verdict.
Okay, and so just to clarify, this is a brand new case you're looking to start.
So
I
this
see the
is
case number right
that
here.
is my appeal that was denied. So maybe
Oh, okay. So that's just like a okay.
Yeah,
When
so if
when
it-
we create this, we can put that as like a related case.
Yes.
Just in our system, so they can see that.
Yep.
But, this right here
Will
you're
be
like
different.
Brand new case.
Okay. I wasn't
just
sure.
want to clarify.
Yep,
Because
that's
I didn't
fine.
know if this needed to go into that case, but it's brand new. Okay, okay, and did you have an e-filing account, or do you need to be exempt from e-filing?
So they sent me email back saying that I could file traditionally. I can pull that up if you want and show it to you.
Is this from the lower court or from
This was
us?
from you guys.
Okay, because
It'll say under that case, one of the more recent things, it says that if you're having trouble filing stuff, because I couldn't even get it because I didn't have a brief, and so I just submitted some blank form just to get it to go through, and then everything was denied, and they said that I could file traditionally
Okay.
if I wanted to.
yeah, we'll just grab another form because if you're starting a brand new case, even if you've been exempt from a prior case, you still need to have that motion to be exempt in every case you do.
Yeah, so I don't have my my what is it? I can't log in.
Oh, okay. Oh,
I can't log in. I tried to log in and submit everything, but it's not the password, but the username.
okay.
I don't know what the user. If you
I can get that.
if you can find that for me, that would be great.
Yeah. So let me put this aside. Let me get your username,
Okay.
and we can try over here on the kiosk before you go to see if it will let you in, and then if not, we'll go from there.
Okay.
So let me give you that before I walk off with it.
Thank you.
And let me take this.
All right. Oh, did I give you my?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, pen.
I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you. It's funny, you see how she said, "Oh, I'm good," because some of these clerks really do not like to be recorded. They don't like the transparency. I've had some issues here, which if you go watch those playlists that I mentioned, New Hampshire Supreme Court audits, you'll see the treatment that I had. I actually got hung up on, and that's what initiated me to come down here in person and start recording. And they probably asked my name so that they could write some sort of report about me being here recording or something, and whether or not I created a disturbance. I'm assuming they seem to be keeping tabs on everything.
Okay, so I don't have access to your password, but I see your username and your email that you registered with that username.
Yep. Excellent.
So I don't know if you want to try logging in to see if that works for you, and then if not, we can do that motion to be exempt.
Yeah, we can do that. So.
And then while you're doing that, let me just make, well, we'll do that, because if we need to date stamp it and do it in paper, we'll do it then.
Okay, yeah, because I mean, I need this filed today.
Oh, okay.
Because the court, I have court tomorrow where they're trying to, you know, impose the $765 fine and suspend my license.
Oh, okay.
And all that, so.
Okay.
If I can have that emergency filed, I don't have time to like wait.
Okay, yep, so if you want it as an emergency, before we do it, I'll
Write
just
it.
have you write, yep. But. Perfect, so we're all on the same page.
Should I write somewhere that I don't have access, you know, I didn't have access or something? Or?
We'll see if we can log in, and then if we can't, we'll do that additional motion.
Okay. Where is it? Okay, there it is. All right. Yeah, I thought I tried this, but maybe not. See, maybe it's this. We'll try that once more. Okay, cool. I think I got it.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I'm in there.
Okay, so what we can do is we can log into this, and we can scan it.
Scan it in there?
Put it right here. Right
Okay,
now.
great. Excellent. Thank you so much. Very helpful.
Usually it's just that easy of a fix, is just getting the username from right now. Let me just take the staples out of this here. So it's the Supreme Court e-file a case, that third one. I need to get a staple remover.
Notifications. Yeah, okay. And then what do I do here? Create filing. Filing category. New case. Case category.
I believe
Original proceeding.
It's actually going to be, I think, appeal by right.
Okay.
Let's see. You can always go back.
Because it's what is it? Rule 11.
And then try other.
Case subtype, habeas, original appeal, other writ assertion, writ of mandamus. Ruled on, not ruled on. I don't have anything ruled on.
Okay, yeah, we'll try the original and then see what that gives us.
Other habeas,
Okay.
writ of mandamus.
So it's probably going to be just the original appeal.
Other habeas rule on return order. Huh. Administrative, maybe?
No, that's for, I believe, like, lawyer discipline cases that we have.
Judicial discipline, maybe? Because it's trying to get them to order the judge.
No, yeah, I would do original proceeding, other, and then original appeal. And then we can always look at it and change it.
Initiating document,
yeah.
filing subtype.
Original petition.
Original petition. Filed. No records were found. Add another case.
Yeah, and then you'd put your info in right there.
Rule, petitioner. type, person, representation, self-representative class.
And then I think there would be the filing fee.
What is it?
I think it's
For a Rule 11 petition?
I believe so, yeah. Because this is a criminal.
Because I already paid the filing fee on the appeal, and I can't keep shelling out. I
can give you a motion to waive.
Yeah.
But it's probably going to ask you for the filing fee, so I'll give that to you too. And you can file that later or file that now. We'll need that.
Comments.
No comments.
Emergency. Filed on behalf of. Next. Originating court agency. It is, what is it, 6th Circuit? Or, no, it's
10th Circuit, Brentwood, yeah. What I'll do is I'll let you do your thing, and then if you need help when it comes to the scanning, just come grab us.
Okay, thank you.
I don't want to hover over you.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Case number, related case numbers. 2022-255. Judge name. Oh no, that's let's see here. 435. 5. Case number, judge name. Polly Hall. Judgment date. Judgment date. What is the judgment date here? Four 7/2022. 4. April 4/7/2022. Case number. Oh, all right. Cut. Paste. 2022-255. Case title. That's good. Name and exclude from e-service. Request confidential. Comments. Choose file, document, upload document. So, alright. I think I need some help now. She said to help, she would help me scan it or whatever. Thank you.
you want me to move out of the way? Or?
Maybe just a little bit, yeah. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. Yes, I took away the jam. Thank you.
Oh yeah, it's right there. Looked like they were kind of loose.
I know. Either they work amazing or it's horrible. Okay. No. I feel like I should be holding my breath. Right. Let's see. Okay, and then if you just want to fill out the motion to waive in the affidavit, we can add that too.
Okay.
That way they don't have to issue an order to you telling you to do that before they look at it.
Okay.
So let me know when you're done with that and we'll scan that one.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right. Trial court. All right, I'm gonna pause this real quick. All right, we're back here. I wasn't sure what to put, if anything, for like the case name. There's no case name yet or number, right?
Yeah, you can leave that blank. That's
Okay.
fine.
And then if you want
Perfect. And the only other thing I was thinking of while I was at my desk was this case number, if this final order would be in there, so we can maybe pull it from there.
These ones here?
Yeah.
I don't think so, because these ones I was found not guilty on. I'm not appealing those.
Oh, okay.
But
oh, okay.
she gave written decisions, but she's not giving a written decision in the
Oh,
other.
okay.
So it doesn't make any sense.
Oh, okay. Because if there was something in this case that we could pull for this,
Yeah, I don't
but if we
think
don't, okay, perfect.
I'm gonna be there tomorrow, so I'll pull that. I'll pull these files tomorrow.
Okay. Just so we have what we need and we can look at this. Okay, so we're gonna add associated. Oh, no.
Gonna make me sign in again?
Okay. Well, it should be in your drafts, so. Why?
Probably just timed out.
Oh, that would make sense because you're working on this. What the heck? You staying cool out there?
Trying to. So just the other day, my fan stopped blowing on my AC, and I have just charged the AC, but the fan's like. But when I go down the highway, it forces the air through. So when I'm on the highway, I can get a little bit of coolness.
Ugh.
But yeah, other than that, I'm melting.
Do you know what the weather's supposed to be like this weekend for 4th of July? I haven't looked at the weather.
Yeah, it's just been so oppressive. You know, it's like a bit of a heat wave we're dealing with here.
Are we in Florida? No, thank you. I was in Bermuda last July, and we had those really hot days last week, the week before, and I was like, are we in Bermuda? This is crazy. It felt the same.
I was talking to my buddy in Florida last night and telling him how hot it was and in the humidity, and he said it's not even that bad down here. Which I've been down there and it's pretty bad.
Well, now I'm like, okay, I get it in like California when it's like hits 50 degrees and they're like, I'm freezing.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll probably have you log in again.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Okay, perfect. So it should be in your drafts.
Filings.
Yep.
Draft. 2 drafts.
Okay, so that top one.
This one.
I would just click on it and open it.
Okay. Double click.
Yeah. It'll just take a second.
Okay, there you
Whew, okay.
go. Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna add motion to waive the filing fee. We have the view. Oh, that's not right. Oh, finish. There we go. I hope you don't mind me taking over here.
No, that's fine. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Very helpful, thank you. Very pleasant as well.
Oh, thank you. Well, makes it better for both of us, right?
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
need to be nasty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then we'll show your affidavit, and then we'll be all set.
And then, so I'll be getting notifications via email, right?
Yep. So we'll go to that email address, letting you know whatever the verbiage is to check your e-filing account, or there's that link you click on. I've never gotten that email, but you should get notified.
Okay.
And then if you happen to have any problems, you can call us and we can look into it. And if you have to start doing everything in paper, but you should be fine.
Okay.
Okay. So this is your petition. Your motion to waive. And then your affidavit. Perfect. Okay, and then there's nothing else we need to do?
I don't think so. That should be it.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add to cart and submit. Okay, and then let me just make sure it's in our queue before I let you go.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right, I'll be out the shed. I'm gonna bring some ammo in. Be back in a minute.
Okay, we got it. So
Good to
if you
go.
wanna log out to your account,
Yep.
you should be all set.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Sorry, this is my favorite character.
Logo. Boom. Okay, there we go. So there you have it, folks. Another good audit. Hey, have a good one. Thank you. So yeah. Ooh. So if you guys want to stick around for a minute, I mean, I have been going non-stop past, I don't even know, 3, 4, 5 days. I lost track of time. And I have been at the federal courthouse investigating, talking to the U.S. Marshals about the filming in the lobby situation. And they actually agreed with me that we should be able to film in the lobby per the rules, particularly seeing that the entrance to the courthouse is a dual entrance, not just to the courthouse, but it's the only way to enter the James C. Cleveland building, which is not a part of the courthouse. It's just connected to it. It's actually a security issue, and they're gonna raise, the marshals are gonna raise it at the next security meeting, because there's like a joint committee between the two buildings that talk about security and stuff like that. And so they agreed with me that it is a problem, and they're going to be looking into it. Let's see here. I got a little bit of a chest cold too. So what else have I been doing? Let me see. This is all my notes from the past week. So I'm going to get an audio of the trial. They did find the audio from the filming in the lobby trial. So I will be getting that, and I'll upload it for you guys. We'll listen to it and everything. I filed the notice of appeal on that case, so that is all good to go. I got to start working on the appeal itself, which I've already done. Boop, boop, boop. So I also went to the U.S. Attorney, which is in the James C. Cleveland building, connected to the courthouse. So I went over there. I actually talked to security first, and I was asking, well, hey, this poster, 102-74-420, says we're allowed to record in the lobbies, hallways, and the corridors. I said, but how am I to do that when they steal my phone at the courthouse or at the court building and don't let me come through with it? And so he had never heard of it before. He said nobody's ever asked or anything like that. And it's kind of shocking to me, but not that shocking. Unfortunately, people don't seem to care. They just kind of go with the flow of everything. And DOJ, so I went to the U.S. Attorney and I filed something with them to try to get them to return my phone. I'm gonna file it probably sometime later this week, because tomorrow I have court, but a motion to have the magistrate judge order the witness in the case, who happens to be DHS officer Michael Plant. He's not there in his official capacity, he's there in his personal capacity when he's a witness. And so he has no authority in the courtroom while the judge is still present. He can't just come up and rip the phone out of my hand, which is what he did. That's called theft. I also have the rules. It says that the marshals and court security are the only ones who can, in the courtroom, take somebody's phone. So there's a lot of things piling up here about this. And boop, boop, boop. I'm gonna be filing some FOIAs as well with Homeland Security, and I'm probably going down there to the Norris Cotton Building in the near future. You know, when I can fit it. I'm juggling like 1,000 different things here. So boom, boom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I still do plan on doing some individual breakdowns of each case. I'm swamped. I only have so much time. But I will do those breakdowns. I will add all the stuff in the description so people can follow the case. I'll put the playlist to make it real easy. But I mean, for now, I would say go watch all my playlists so you know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about this stuff. And if you don't like what I'm talking about, well, you can go fuck yourself and go fucking make your own channel or stop watching, and don't tell me how to do my channel, okay? Because I've had some people, mostly, and I greatly appreciate it, it's like 99% positive comments, but some people in the comments trying to tell me how to do what I do when they don't even know what the fuck I'm doing, okay? And they ain't doing shit themselves. So why don't you go start your own fucking YouTube channel and do your own bullshit. Thanks, that's about it. Talk to you soon.